Let's dive into Python iterators. An iterator is a powerful object that processes values one by one. Take a look at this list. Our goal is to step through it item by item. To do this, we will use Python's built-in iter function to create our iterator. This function instantly returns an iterator object. Hovering over the variable name, you can see we named it staff iterator. A clear and descriptive name. Notice its data type is an iterator, specifically holding string data since our list contains text. Now, the real magic happens when we fetch items using the next function. We pass our staff iterator straight into the next function. Each call advances to the next item. Let's run this to see it in action. First, we get Sarah, followed by James and Olivia. Why? Because the iterator tracking variable remembers its exact position. When you first trigger the next function, it targets the very first item. Then it seamlessly moves forward to fetch James, and finally advances to Olivia. The iterator constantly tracks its state. If we remove one of these lines, notice that we only get 2 outputs. Now, looking at the next code block, notice we aren't passing any index or position parameters. We just call the next function. It paused here. What will the next output be? Predicting Olivia. Let's run it, and there it is. Like magic, Olivia appears. This works because the core job of an iterator is to remember its position. Think of it like a vigilant referee, keeping precise track of where every single runner is standing. When we trigger the next function, it signals the iterator to reveal the next value. What's up next on the list? And boom, there it is. As you can see, the object perfectly supports this next function protocol, seamlessly returning the very next item. But what happens if we keep pushing it and call it again? What do you think occurs? Let's add one more line and find out. Running this triggers a stop iteration error. This might seem like a flaw, but you can actually capture this exception. It is a clear signal that Python has successfully processed every single item. This behavior is completely by design. The stop iteration exception is a built-in notification letting you, the developer, know that the sequence is complete and all items were delivered one by one. Every single element. That final error means mission accomplished.